Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make stir fry with chicken breast. Start by slicing chicken breast thinly and marinating it briefly in soy sauce, sesame oil, and a touch of cornstarch. Heat a wok until very hot, cook garlic and ginger, add chicken, toss vegetables quickly, and finish with a balanced sauce. Serve over rice and enjoy a quick, healthy meal. Prepare everything before you turn on the heat, because stir fry moves fast and timing matters. Marinate the chicken briefly to add flavor and help with browning. Have a bowl for cooked chicken, another for sauce, and one for raw vegetables so you can stir and toss without delay. This mise-en-place approach keeps the cooking smooth and prevents overcooking delicate vegetables. Heat oil until shimmering, then sear chicken in a single layer for quick browning and moist interior. Remove chicken while you cook vegetables in the hot pan, starting with the densest ones. Return the chicken, add the sauce, and toss for just a minute to glaze everything. Finish with a splash of sesame oil and a sprinkle of scallions for aroma and extra flavor before serving over rice or noodles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.